All right, so there's an update. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has first accepted responsibility for the arrest of Very Dark Man, and then they confirmed that he is in their custody and said that they may soon charge him to court when all of their charges are perfected. Okay, so this report was released by Sahara Reporters and confirmed on BBC News Pidgin, because it was alleged that the EFCC spokesman Dele Oyewale spoke to BBC News Pidgin, and of course, and went to the BBC News Pidgin official website, and I saw the news, as you can see, written in Pidgin. Nigeria Financial Crimes Police EFCC don't confirm say na them hold popular rights activist Martins Vincent Ose, alias Very Dark Black Man (VDM). The EFCC confirmed the arrest of VDM to BBC News Pidgin. Talk person of the commission Dele Oyewale on Monday said them arrest the activists based on petitions by some complainants wey get grievances against VDM. We arrest them to respond to series of allegations raised against them by some petitioners, na so Oyewale talk. When we ask him whether the petition they related to GT Bank, he said the petition are from different people and them owe the petitioners duty to protect them. He add say we go release them when he meets the bail conditions, and we go carry the case go court as soon as possible. We dey law abiding. He confirmed say na from Abuja them arrest the activists. And so that's BBC News Pidgin official website. You can go check that out. So it's confirming that the news is true. Though there is no official statement or public statement as usual of the EFCC, I'm sure they are still perfecting what to put together to tell Nigerians. But Sahara Reporters confirmed the BBC News Pidgin report, and it says Nigerian Anti-Graft Agency, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, has confirmed the arrest of social media activist Martins Vincent Ose, popularly known as Very Dark Man, over multiple petitions. The FCC, speaking through its spokesperson Dele Oyewale, told BBC News Pidgin on Monday that the activist was taken into custody following complaints from several petitioners. We arrested him to respond to a series of allegations raised against him by some petitioners, Oyewale said. When asked if the case was connected to Guarantee Trust Bank, GTB, Oyewale noted that the petitions were from different individuals and the agency owed them a duty of protection. We'll come back to that. Oyewale added that the commission was planning to arraign the social media activist. He stated we will release him when he meets the bail conditions, and we will take the case to court as soon as possible. We are law abiding. So now it is factual. So I'm only bothered about the protection. So when individuals petition a commission for investigation, you would know there are individuals involved. So when a commission is saying that they owe the people right of protection, it means that they are persons of interest. It means that they are persons or agencies of interest. That's what it means. Obviously, it means that senior officers, senior whatever it is, people that have interest in that releasing their name may put the fight or the battle or the litigation or the arrest, may put it in a very dangerous situation. Probably that's why you are hearing that they are protecting the interest of the people that sent the petition. So usually you are not supposed to hear things like that. Petitions that are forwarded or that are sent to the commission would always have the opportunity for public to hear and scrutinize. So when they say that they are protecting the petitioners, that's a very dangerous thing, and it's obvious. And one blogger who blogs for Tinubu, right? I saw a news on her platform, I think QT Julius, I think that's her name, QT Jules or so, yeah. She was saying that she confirmed that it was DSS that actually picked VDM, and the EFCC requested for him because he has got case to answer. All of that bullshit. So obviously, if the EFCC cannot release the names, or maybe they will do in the statement, but if what the spokesperson said here, that because of their protecting the people that sent petition, obviously it means that they are, maybe it is the commission itself that want to exonerate itself from VDM's feasts or wheats, as it were, and obviously the anti-graft agencies or other sister agencies that feel like VDM is a person of interest may have been the one. It's obviously not a bank something, obviously not a human something. I think that is my own interpretation, because every time a petition is sent out, in short, the worst is that they will not communicate to you who sent you while requesting for your invitation. But when you get to the commission, you must see the petition, as it were, as you must be shown the petition that was sent by an individual, by an organization. So it is only when it is them in their own investigation, that's where things like this are. So we'll wait for all of that. It's obvious now the business day is about closing, and we are here to see any public statement of beyond this news report. So we expect the EFCC to do the right thing. If they are nothing to, you can't go arrest somebody and not be preparing charges, except if you are doing your investigations upon is coming. Maybe he's here to answer you, because the videos, a few videos that I watched on Friday indicated that VDM refused to speak to anybody or see anybody. So obviously, maybe because he's not yet speaking, they are yet to confirm some of the allegations, and that's why they are yet to issue a public statement. I enjoin the EFCC to issue a public statement in that regard. That is how organizations are. We cannot, like I said, we cannot say we want a developed country, think as if we are in a developed country and not act the way developed societies do. So we want the EFCC to know that this is a very serious matter, and that they should not also, in a bid of trying to protect citizens and say they are, and then now break laws, as it were. Of course, we know that there are laws that govern arrest, detention, and prosecution. So I know the FCC knows this, and 48 hours is huge. And the way it is now, officially, they are losing time, and they should do the needful, so that this would not be a bad life. Except you are doing it for personal interest. If this is not for the good of the society, then all of this would be rubbish. So, and Nigerians continue to speak and demand that the EFCC do the right thing. Even if you don't like VDM, it's okay to say do the right thing. I think that's basic. It's global. It's a global standard. So even if you don't like, even if VDM has offended you, it's okay to say the institution must do the right thing. And it's just normal. It's a normal protocol, normal procedure. I'll catch you another time.